So as you can see guys, it is working. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech guys. So guys, in today's video we want to make inverter driver. As you can see, this is 2 n-channel MOSFET with 1K resistor, 2 1K resistor. So we are going to use all these things to build inverter driver. So guys, let's go and build this and see how this thing will work. Thank you. So guys, here is our driver. As you can see, here is the gate. Then the gate of the first MOSFET was connected to the drain of the second MOSFET, and the gate of the second MOSFET was connected to the drain of the first MOSFET. As you can see, this is the gate for the first MOSFET with a resistor, and it was connected to middle pin here, which is the drain. And the gate of this MOSFET also was connected to the middle, as you can see guys. So this will be the first input, and this will be the second input guys. So middle, drain and drain. Then we have the positive. See, this is the positive of the transformer. So we are going to put our wire here. The first wire will be here, which is the middle of the MOSFET of the first MOSFET. Then the second wire will be in the middle of another MOSFET. Then this is our positive guys. So we are going to test it now guys. Wire with a resistor parallel. I'm going to connect it here. I'm going to draw a diagram for it. Then the second leg for the MOSFET with a resistor parallel also, as you can see. So this blue wire like this. As you can see, this is the middle and to the gate, and the gate of this MOSFET to the middle also. So like this guys. Then this is our positive, and here is the negative. So as you can see, this is the parallel input with the two MOSFETs planned. So guys, this is our driver. As you can see, the gate of this MOSFET was connected to the drain of this MOSFET. As you can see guys, parallel like this, the gate and the middle. Then I connect, so this is the wire that's supposed to be there. This is our positive, so this is the wire that's supposed to be there. So as you can see, gate and drain. Then this is another gate of the second MOSFET, and it was connected to the drain wire, as you can see guys, the middle wire. So also then this wire was connected to it, to the middle pin. As you can see, this is the black wire that comes from the middle pin, and it was connected to MOSFET. And this is the gate of the first MOSFET was connected here to the middle pin, and the middle pin is for the drain and it's for this second wire guys. So our ground, which is the negative, as you can see, parallel the two MOSFET guys. So this is for the negative and this is the positive input, And about this transformer, guys, I will put the link in the description on how to watch the video how to make this transformer, guys. So let's test it, guys. So guys, we are using this battery, 3.7 volt battery. So this is the positive, and we are connecting it to this red wire, and this is the negative for the MOSFET. As you can see, guys, it is working. We are using two 1K resistor, gate to drain, and this is the output. Let's see. So guys, as you can see, the project is working. This is AC adapter.